In primetime news this evening, bittersweet ruling. Police Federation reacts to Supreme Court overtime. Freed. Court dismisses charges against Rick's Cafe boss in last year's Mocha Fest breaches. And one step closer, Senate passes BOJ amendment bill to make way for central bank digital currency Jamdex.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the Financial Week, Primetime Sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening we're asking, do you intend to utilize the central bank digital currency to conduct business? Give reasons for your answer. You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet us at televisionjam1. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.